to one of the unidentified Indian entity, the Coast Guard launched a coordinated operation with the ATS Gujarat. The team of ATS Gujarat and the Coast Guard ships have been deployed continuously from the 13th since the time that the intelligence has been received. Due to the concerted and effective surveillance that has been maintained by the Indian Coast Guard along with the joint patrol by the ATS, we could nab the Pakistan fishing boat by name Nu, which has been there with the 8 Pakistani national northwest of Jakhau. And this boat was carrying about 30 packets of heroin, and each packets were about 1 kg each, which totals about 30 kgs in total, which in international market values about 300 crores. The boat along with the 8 Pakistani national being brought to the Indian port for further investigation and rummaging. This entire operation has been successful because of the coordinated effort that the Indian Coast Guard maintained with the ATS Gujarat, and along with the ATS team boarded the Pakistani fishing boat and unearthed the hidden consignment. It's a success story for this entire operation. And going with the same line, very recently also in the month of March, the Indian Coast Guard has done 2 major operations, one on the 5th of March, wherein we apprehended one Sri Lankan fishing vessel, Akshardua, which was carrying about 200 kgs of heroin and about 60 kgs of hashish. But unfortunately, the consignment was dumped overboard on sighting the Coast Guard vessel. But notwithstanding that, the presence of the Coast Guard continued to remain in the area of our area of responsibility has enabled us to apprehend a Sri Lankan fishing boat on the 18th of March, which was carrying about 300 kgs of heroin and has about 5 in number AK-47 rifle and about 1000 rounds of 9mm rounds, which was there. And on an average, that was worked about 3000 crore. To sum it up, in the last 19 months, the Indian Coast Guard has apprehended about 1.6 ton of narcotic substances, which was valued about 5,200 crores in the international market. Thank you.
So what is the update on the search held 3 days ago?
Going back, the Coast Guard is also conducting one another operation in our water of the Mangalore coast. On the 13th midnight, the Indian Coast Guard received a distress call from the Indian fishing boat Rabba about the collision that has taken place between the merchant vessel by name APL Lee Have. That vessel was Singapore flag on passage from Singapore to this place of Nhava Sheva in JNPT in Mumbai, and it's a container vessel, and they have come in contact with the Indian fishing boat due to bad weather, and the collision has taken place, and the boat which has left the Baipur port, which was having about 14 in number Indian nationals, of which 7 belongs to West Bengal and the rest of them belong to about Tamil Nadu. And post the collision, the Indian Coast Guard immediately pressed its assets into operation. Most of the vessels which was already on deployment were diverted, as a result of which we could rescue 2 fishermen alive and recover the body of 3 fishermen who has left this universe. And these bodies of the 3 and as well as the 2 rescued personnel were taken to Mangalore and handed over to the local administration for further processing of the case. And Coast Guard still continuing to maintain the surveillance in the area for recovery of the missing fishermen. Notwithstanding that, the Coast Guard also sought the assistance of the Indian Navy. Since the vessel has already sunk, we would like to carry out a diving operation and to see if there are any bodies of the individual trapped in the vessel could be recovered or retrieved from the sunken vessel. And this operation is continuing, and Coast Guard is continuing to maintain the surveillance in the area to see whether there is a fisherman who are alive or otherwise from the seas around. And the Coast Guard always remains vigilant in the entire area of operation. Thank you. See, the Coast Guard on an average deploys about over 50 ships and about 10 to 12 aircraft to maintain the surveillance of our entire exclusive economic zone and our area of responsibility. As a result of which, any intelligence input that is received by the Indian Coast Guard from various agencies, the Coast Guard invariably deals with 14 ministries and 3 departments of the Government of India, and any intelligence input that it comes to the Coast Guard responds with alacrity and carries out the coordinated and well thought out plan to nab the culprits and also to render assistance. And that's the success of the Coast Guard operation, and we continue to do our operation with much more sincerity, keeping all agencies together to achieve our common aim of making sure our seas are safe and secure. Thank you.